How's exercise going?
No, you see, I'm exercising the whole day, so
Always.
you always need to exercise. You cannot go out with exercise. So
No.
And with you?
I am officially one mood swing away from being a lifetime drama.
If that lifetime drama includes me eating a half-eaten Twinkie in the pantry, I'm in it too.
You cried in the pantry again?
The snacks get me, and my hormones are acting like a rock band again. Hard, always late,
Messed up.
and messed up!
I know. Terrible.
That's because you don't treat your endocrine system like a temple. I do seed cycling, infrared sauna, and I yell affirmations at my emotions every morning.
Do they yell back?
No, but I'm coping.
Right. Meanwhile, I get cramps that can qualify for a natural disaster. And I'm 95% sure my left foot is plotting something.
Ladies, no. We don't need more chaos. We need balance and harmony and serenity. It's like dance class, but for your hormones.
A dance class for your hormones. What's that even supposed to mean?
This is a natural hormone balancer for your endocrine system. It's like giving your hormones a spa day. Look, you'll see.
No artificial stuff. Herbs I can't pronounce. It sounds legit.
Wild yam? That's like the Demi-Lee of hormone balance.
Will this help me from wanting to throw a slipper at my husband every time he chews too loud?
No, nothing else for that. But it will help you be more in control, be calmer. Oh, you will feel so much better. You will only have good vibes and better cycles.
So I don't have to turn into a banshee every 28 days. So I can just chill.
This tastes like botanical victory.
I already feel this stabby.
See? One dose. And we are basically a jazz quartet.
Okay. I'm in. Because if Plus can balance my hormones, it might just save my marriage. And my pantry.
Yes! Ladies, to balance, to peace, to plus.
Okay, guys, gotta go.
Me too.
But I'm taking my Plus.
Thank you.
Enjoy. You will feel so much better.
I feel happy like a chappy with